8-7 is the multiplication of fractions and whole numbers. So now we're multiplying our fractions by whole numbers, and we'll see how to do that. Here's some examples for you on page 269 in your math journal. You can see the example they have up here. We took 2/3, so each of these shows 2/3 of the box shaded in, times 2, and we end up with 4/3, or 1 1/3. If you take a look at number 1, they want 1/3 4 times. So if I were to show that by coloring this in, color in a third, another third. Okay, so I have 1/3 4 times, or times 4. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 thirds colored in. Okay, thirds because we've split each of the whole boxes into thirds. I could also write that as 1 1/3 because 3 goes into 4 once, there's 1 left over, and my denominator stays the same. Okay, down here you'll have to split your boxes up. They haven't done it for you. So if I want to split these, I could do 1/4. So we'll split them into fourths, color in 1/4 in each box. I have 3 out of my 4 colored in. Okay, another way to do this is you can take your whole number and put it over 1. Okay, because that's the same as 2. 2 over 1 is 2. And then, like we did in our last lesson, multiply straight across. So 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 5 is 5. Change it from an improper back into a mixed number. We get 1 1/5. Okay, and if I were to have done that up here, you can see 1 times 3 is 3. 4 times 1 is 4. Same thing here. 1 times 4, 3 times 1. Okay, so you can draw it out and use the model here if you need to. Otherwise, just put your whole number over 1 and go ahead and multiply straight across. Remember to simplify your answer.